first came to the Kickstarter community about a year ago with our passion project, the PRVKE. We're both crazy about travel and photography, but couldn't find a bag that we were really stoked about. We found out that most bags are like cargo shorts. They're incredibly functional, surprisingly functional even, but you lose all dignity wearing them. And all the bags that we found that actually look decent sacrifice functionality. So we started thinking about all the great inventors out there. Da Vinci, Edison, Chef Boyardee. We thought, we could do that.
Honestly, we've been overwhelmed by the response we got on Kickstarter, as well as the entire photography community. The PRVKE has won several awards and turned out not to be just a great photography bag, but a great all-around bag for anyone. And we far surpassed our goal on our first Kickstarter. We've shipped bags to backers in over 40 different countries, and the response we've had from them has been incredible.
So after the project was over, we started getting two major requests from our backers. One, they wanted a smaller bag in the lineup. And two, the non-photographers liked the bag so much that they wanted an a la carte option so they could purchase just the bag and add on a few accessories. So we went to the drawing board right away. And after months of hard work, we're excited to introduce the PRVKE 21. It's the ideal size for everyday carry, a perfect companion on any trip, and is destined to be the best friend of film, compact, and mirrorless cameras everywhere.
The PRVKE 21 comes with the same innovative features as the original PRVKE, such as easy-to-use lay-flat packing, an expandable roll top allowing you to carry more gear when you need it. With the roll top down, the pack holds 21 liters of gear, and fully extended, it holds 25 liters. Our tri-fold FAA-approved laptop sleeve that fits up to a 15-inch laptop and allows you to breeze through airport security. A secure passport pocket that sits against your back, keeping it safe from thieves. And for you photographers, the camera cube is easily added or removed depending on whether you are bringing your camera gear or leaving it at home. We've designed the dividers out of a thin molded foam that is durable yet space-saving and allows you to customize your gear the way you would like it. The side access makes sure your camera is accessible when you need it, and the long divider was engineered to swing open so you have quick access to an additional lens. The integrated camera sling is more comfortable than a neck strap and gives you instant access to your camera.
But we didn't just make a smaller bag, we made it better. We added YKK's weather-resistant zippers, giving more protection to your gear when you need it the most. This, coupled with the tarpaulin and ballistic nylon, means that you won't have to worry about unexpected weather getting into your bag. We redesigned the accessory straps to be more secure and have increased functionality. These allow you to strap gear to your bag and use your bag as a hands-free workstation. We improved the magnetic tote handles, making them stronger and easier to use. We upgraded to removable padded waist straps, helping you to distribute the weight of your gear evenly and comfortably. And we used a new material on the Rainfly, making it thinner and lighter, but just as durable. And finally, we added a key and accessory pocket, giving you even more organization.
We've obsessed over every detail of this backpack. Every component down to the stitching has been chosen for its durability and aesthetic quality. In other words, the PRVKE looks damn good and functions even better.
Our ultimate goal isn't just to make great products, but to inspire others to get out and explore. We also wouldn't mind if you clicked on that green button over there and helped make this reality. But no pressure.
But please
click the green